Hey guys, what's up? It's Keast. We're here at Future West Arenacross, and you guys are gonna follow me around for the day and see what my race day looks like. And yeah, it sounds fun. Good day today. Finished third and first qualifying. I finished second and third. Not the greatest, but got decent gate picks so for the main, so that's all that really mattered. And yeah, I got in a good battle with Hoyer and Keelan, and then kind of just let them go and try and see if maybe they were gonna go run into their own problems. But Brock was riding really strong, and finished third right behind Keelan, so didn't lose too many points in the championship. And in the lights main, I got to the whole shot and just checked out and rode really smooth. Felt really comfortable out there and gained some more points in that championship too, so I'm feeling pretty good right now. I'd just like to thank Carlson Racing, Husqvarna, Fox Canada, my whole team, and thanks for following me around. It was fun.